In this video, I'll show you how to create a channel on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram, right? From this displayed option, you're gonna see this. There's a pen icon right here. Click on it. You're gonna see the new channel, the new group, the new message. You wanna create a new channel? Click on the new channel. You can add up any friend you want to add up, right? So I can just add up. Let me see. I'll add up this, right? Go on here. I'll select the channel profile picture. Yeah, this is cool. So the channel name, you can come on here and name it how to edu, right? Description, you can enter in description. I want to enter, right? Let me say learning, right? Is a test channel I'm creating. You can see there's just one member, right? I'm gonna click on this. Exactly. So I just created my channel right here. I just created a channel here on Telegram. So this is the channel. This is how to do. And yeah, you can come on here and edit it. You can see this is the profile picture, right? So this is how you can create a channel on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.